Hello, everyone. Titi, you say please, I'll get you. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Department of Information Studies. This is mainly for our freshmen and women who were supposed to start their classes or their lectures this week. It's not unfortunate because you still have your classes running as they are supposed to. So this is for you. We just need to let you know what is happening. This is an update on your lectures, which is supposed to start this week. You have a class at 3:30. That's why we are getting this video to you before 3:30. So that you don't come back to us either on the WhatsApp platform or at the department to ask so many questions. Please watch the video and listen to every word keenly before you come back asking questions. Questions that have been answered in the video wouldn't be responded to again. So please take keen note of that. We are going to speak to the president of the Students Association who has communicated with the lecturers and we are bringing you this feedback together. So please stay tuned. Let's connect to the president and get to know what is happening. So, Madam President, please we need to speak with you. Okay, so Alejandras are supposed to have a class today. Is there any information for them today?
Yes, there is information for them from their lecturer. Their lecturer, Dr. Hankam, and level 100.
Please, we can't hear you.
So there is a message from their lecturer, Dr. Hankam.
We still can't hear you.
Okay, so good afternoon. A message from their lecturer, Dr. Kam. Every group made in the department to write your name.
Okay, we are listening to you.
So they came to the department you came to them to write your name under the group you want to join. That's a favorable group, favorable group that wouldn't clash with other courses from the other departments you are. Okay, so from their lecturer, Dr. Kankam, he said the class he has uploaded videos on your Sakai platform. So you have to watch the video, and every video comes with the lecture slide. Okay, so if it is lecture one, it has his video attached to it. So you listen to the video, and I think the video he explained all the things in the lectures, and he had further explanation of the lecture slide, and you have to listen to it and read it. So each time you have a class, or each time you have a class on Zoom, please, the classes is mainly on Zoom. Okay, so each time you have a class on Zoom, you will need to listen to the audio and then read the slides. That's your lecture notes. So where you don't understand, you maybe you read the slides and you don't understand a part and you want an explanation. So you take keynote of it and then ask all the questions you need to ask, and then you will understand the lectures. Basically, that was the information from your coordinator. That's the one coordinating information in society. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Madam President. So this is to okay, so is this, Madam President, is this to say that they will be communicated to whenever there is a Zoom lecture where they will have to come and then bring all their questions on board? Is that what it's supposed to mean?
So there will be announcements on their Sakai. They will share announcements. Each and every lecturer who is supposed to handle a class at a time or at a day will post an announcement on your Sakai so that you go read the announcement. Make sure you understand what the announcement says before you ask any question. So they'll post an announcement or and the Zoom link too at the Zoom link space on Sakai. So you can get access to. So you go to Sakai, the Zoom link, and then it sends you direct to the class session.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being with us, Madam President. Yes, so thank you for being with us, Madam President. We would just give you a little breakdown of what she said, and you'll be good to go. So all that you need to know is you would have lectures. You are going to have lectures, but it's not going to be starting an entire slide or lecture note from the beginning. So your lecturer has made the videos of your lectures available to you on Sakai. So for those who came for last week's class, you would know where you would get the lecture notes on Sakai. If you don't know how to navigate through the Sakai portal, please check the video, look at the other video in the description section, and then you would know how to navigate through the Sakai portal. So you go to, when you log into Sakai, you go to resources, you will see your lecture slides and video of each lecture. So lecture 1 has a video, lecture 2 has a video attached to it. Download both the slides and the lecture video, just so that you would be able to just juxtapose when you are watching the video. So you open the slides, you open the video. Whenever there is a point you need to note, you note it down. So when the link is sent to you on your WhatsApp platform or on Sakai, you will get to know that I have a class today or I have a class tomorrow at this time. So whichever further information that you need to get will be communicated to you on Sakai. A copy will be sent to your WhatsApp platform, so you'll be able to join the Zoom lectures, which will mainly be for answering questions that students have noted when watching the video. So please, your main lecture is the video. You need to go to resources and watch the video. If you have any further questions, you can drop them in the comment section or you come to the WhatsApp platform and leave them there. Please ask questions that have not been answered here. If you ask questions that have been answered here, it wouldn't be responded to. Thank you. And please, if your course is not showing on Sakai, if you've registered and it's not on Sakai, it's on your MIS web, but it's not on Sakai, please go to the WhatsApp platform and message the president. I think she is Rabbit. Yes, her username is Rabbit on the WhatsApp platform. So go to the group and then message her. She would attend to you and address your need. Thank you very much. And see you in your next class.